So we're going to take a look at kneeling to rolling, and this exercise is really just understanding how to go from a lying position to curl up into a ball. It's going to be really helpful for more advanced movements later on as well. It's also a good softening drill to soften into the hard surface. So we're going to start by kneeling. I'll do a couple of reps first so you can see. So I'm sitting down on my heels and I'm curling into a ball, and then I'm going to rock and sit on the ground. And then after I do that, I'm going to start to open my arms and my legs up, and then I'm going to crunch to the same side that I'm moving towards and pull back into that same position. So here, opening right up, tucking in, back to here. I'll do a couple towards the camera so you can see. Tuck in, open right up to this like star position, crunch and curl. Make sure you're sitting down here because it's going to be really hard if you're up like this. It's going to be really clunky as you move down towards the ground. I'll just show you from this side as well, just so you get it. So here, rocking down, opening right up, crunching in. So it's contracting that side and pulling everything in so you can curl up into that ball and get to this kneeling position.